Good morning, friends. Welcome to channel. I've just reached the resort to come to the office, and Jai Hind. Today we are going to talk on a new subject, and it's a very amazing subject. I'm sure this will help you in learning a lot. Before that, I've just reached the morning office, so good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are doing well. Come and join me to know about the channel, what subject we are taking. Come and join me. Thank you very much. So, friends, as promised, today we are discussing the gardening. And to make any resort look beautiful, the greenery is the major part of it, and it needs a lot of efforts to make that it is basically a science. What type of plants we are putting, what type of how we are designing the landscape. So landscapes adds beauty to the any resort. So as you see, this is the grass, Australian grass. Then you have a ribbon grass. This is palm. This is called a erica palm. Array of palm is, and this is haze. This is haze, and behind that there is a bamboo. This is Goodhull, and you see the British bunch of British road, the garden of a rose. This is road garden, which is adding the beauty of to the identity of the god. This is crotons. This particular plant is called a red croton, and this is Tecoma. Tecoma gives a beautiful golden yellow color flowers, and this is basically an entry. This, you see how beautiful it is looking, and this is children's play area with some nice palm plants and a beautifully ashok plants and with a haze to getting enhanced to the beauty of it. This is again a Goodhull. This is again a palm. The snake palm is there, and this is juniper and a mango tree. You see, this is a mango season, so a lot of mangoes are growing, and these are beautiful garden plants just in front of. You see, these are small ferns, crotons, eglypha, juniper, and the Buddha belly, beautiful seasonal flower. And this is Gulmahar. Gulmahar is the peak season now. You see haze of Champa, and the Devdar is there, and this is again a Goodhull. This is called Camellia. Camellia, it just gives a flower like a rose. This is array of again Ashok, and behind that there is a huge plant of Chandni double. This is the array of Buddha belly and the haze. And this is the path. With the both side of the path, you will see the beautiful plantation is done. This is teak wood forest. Behind that white flower you see. This is again, this is a lotus plant basically. And the red color one you see the bougainvillea. This is again a Tecoma, Gervera, the yellow golden palm, beautiful gardens, plants. This is again a bougainvillea. You see these small creepers on the side. This is Dahlia on the side, blue color plants. These will increase the look of any resort. This is classical grass or ground grass. Again, you see the array of lots of. If you really want to add, this is Raat Ki Rani. This is yellow garden flowers. If you really want to add a beauty to it, you see these seasonal flowers. Behind that you see the mangoes, ashok. This is fishtail palm. This is our Santoshji. Santoshji is a person who is working very hard to make the resort beautiful. And this is Mr. Hariram. Mr. Hariram is a very hard-working person. He is just maintaining his garden very clean. You see the crotons again. This is Champa garden. This is bottle brush, but you see the red color one. This is a bottle brush, and the mango. This is a berry. This is called in local. It's called, in Hindi. It's called a jamun. Do you see the beautiful red color one? This is in Hindi. It's called a gulmahar, and the white one is champa. This is rakhi bale, Kashmiri bale, madhumalti inside. The khajur palm plants. This is madhumalti. This gives a beautiful. This is a creeper, gives a beautiful color. This is a Kashmiri bale on the side, you see. This is rakhi bale. The flowers are like just like a button. Again, Erica palm. This is mango tree. It is enhanced with this is Ashok tree again behind. This is khajur palm, red crotons. This is Aglypha. This is a creeper. I don't know how many types of plants are there. I am not able to remember all the names. The bamboos on the side. The classic grass. And the beauty is makes the location makes the resort look beautiful. You see how beautifully mangoes are growing, because since this is a mango, I'm sure you feel like having some. And on the side you see some cannas. These are the cannas, and this is called lantana, Raat Ki Rani, palms, fishtail palms, Erica palms again. Yeah, huge plants. These are garden palms. There you see the snake palm is there, fern is there, This is what we call it? We call it canna. And again a creeper. Creeper makes the look wall beautiful. Beautiful wall. Where there is a fountain, and when the fountain is on, it looks beautiful. It makes that you are in the different world. You see how you see the beauty of the flowers, different color of seasonal plant. This is grape. You see the small grapes are growing now, because since the summer have started, and this is the season for the white grapes, also called Chardonnay grapes. How beautifully creepers. This is again a crotons. This is even the restaurant can be made look beautiful. This is basically a peace lily. Peace lily gives soothing eyes. This is fun. Even the restaurant is not just let without the plants. Even in these are called in-house plants, in-room plants. You see it has a flower look like a snake. And this is प्रमोद जी चैनल में स्वागत है आपका। और आप इस वक्त गार्डन को पानी दे रहे हैं। कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है आपको गार्डन के लिए? कितने टाइप के प्लांट्स आपने लगा के रखे हुए हैं यहाँ पे? और कुछ 2, 4, 5, 10 प्लांट्स के जरा नाम बताएं।
सर काफ़ी सारे हैं, नाम तो ऐसे आपको भूल जाएंगे।
2, 4 नाम तो बताइएगा।
फोनेक्स पाम है हमारे पास, एरिका पाम है, और जूनिपर भी है हमारे पास, और फाइकस भी है, एरिका पाम है, एरिजी पाम है हमारे पास।
बैम्बूज बहुत टाइप के देखता हूँ मैं आपके पास में।
सर 2 वैरायटी हैं।
ये आपके ये चंपा के पेड़ दिख रहे हैं, टिकोमास के देख रहे हैं, क्रीपर्स आपने बहुत शानदार चलाई हुई है पेड़ पे। लगता है बहुत मेहनत। खाद कौन कौन सी देते हैं आप इसमें?
लगा रहे हैं सर, आगे और भी लगा दिया है।
तो खाद कौन कौन सी दे रहे हैं आप?
खाद सर हमारे पास DAP डालते हैं, यूरिया है।
गोबर की खाद का प्रयोग करते होंगे?
कम से कम
गोबर खाद के पर देना पड़ता है। और बहुत शानदार आपने ग्रीनरी मेंटेन की है, उसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच। कीप डूइंग वेल। थैंक यू। these creepers and the bamboo. This is khajur palm. This is white color is called a champa. Gives a beautiful flowers, creepers. This is called a missy palm. This is again called a fishtail palm. This is fishtail palm. This the haze line you see, it is also called a moraya. This is a beautiful crotons. Beautiful croton. This makes like bhul bhulaiya. You see the small white plants, flower looks enhanced like lotus. This is beautiful. You see, you don't need flower. This is lychee because lychee is in the season now. Season of lychee is going to start. So it you know the resort plants has to be mixed. It has to be fruits. This is just a juniper. Juniper is beautiful. Makes the look. You see, everywhere you see greenery and greenery. If anything else is there, that is also greenery. You see behind that a huge mango orchard. This is lychee. These are small creepers. This is finest grass, and this is how it is making the beauty of resort look really wonderful, really wonderful. And lot of, I'm sure you see the banana plants are there. Those are also adding beauty to it. Yep, feel like eating lychees. Mouth started watering, remembering, thinking of lychees. There has to be a plants, garden plants, indoor plants, trees, creepers, and this is Gulmahar. This is giving eye a look beautiful. You love those plants. There are like more than thousands and thousands of plants planted, and this resort is full of beauty. See the way landscaping is made, the way plantation is done, the way flowering is done, the way fruit is being placed, the way walls you see this. Kohima. Beautiful. You see all these different kind of flowers. This is lotus plants. Loving it. This is called mastery in landscaping. I'm sure before that you never must have seen all these. This is amazing. And this is again Tecoma, giving a beautiful yellow colors of flower. This is area of again Buddha belly. This is mango plants again. I don't remember over 1,000 and 1,000 types of plants are there. For a rain harvesting, there are system is developed, so they save water also. It is also a sign. The cottages. Behind that you see huge tree. The way the gardening is done. And you see the pipes on the ground, that is to give the water to a garden. And this is again a champa. This is a Radkinani actually. This is called a ficus. This is again Gudal. This is which I was calling ficus. This is surprise. This is not ficus. This is surprise. This is, if it is there, makes the look of the cottage enhance like anything. Behind that you see eucalyptus. You see a lot of even you see the flowers. Canna, lots of cannas are being done. This is teak wood. Behind that you see eucalyptus. Yep, and the missy plants. everywhere it takes a science. Aglifa, you'll see the aglifa here. There are many type of aglifa, red aglifa, green aglifa. You see this? Oh, this is sunflower. Sunflower is like anything, making the look of the resort look really beautiful. And juniper and green aglifa, which I was talking about, cart. This is a eco-friendly resort. You see, this is white car. You see, and the lady behind working, making the garden look beautiful. Everybody is. These see the fun, haze, different types of. This is the fern. This is Syngonium on the wall. Looks like a horn on the hat. This is the area of Ashok. The Morpankhi on the side. This is this is jackfruit. Oh, beautiful. This is a rubber plant on the side as well. Yes, this is the array of again Erica palm. Yes, ribbon grass. And this is a welcome board in between. Behind that, if you see, this is like banana type of plants. Oh yes. This is again a canna. Yes, canna. Again, fern plants. Here, see, this is their private gardening. Even to enhance the look of the resort, there has to be parking. Parking is must be done systematically. There has to be a lot of
मेहनती व्यक्ति
of.
शाहिद साहब
This
इनका
is
नाम है।
Sahid Saab.
शाहिद साहब, आपने ये इस रिजॉर्ट को इतना चमकाया है, इतना शानदार इसमें मेहनत करी है। कितनी मेहनत करते हो और क्या इसको आप मानते हो? जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रहा था, आपके लिए परिवार की तरह है ये रिजॉर्ट का जो भी गार्डन या प्लांटेशन है, उसमें आपका क्या अपना?
सर, इसमें हम ज़्यादातर मेहनत ही करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा रिसोर्ट जो है अच्छा रहे, सुंदर रहे, और जो है इसमें जो गेस्ट आए तो वो हमारी जो है तारीफ़ करें। इसलिए हम इसको जो है अच्छी से सींचते भी हैं और मेहनत।
मोटा ये बता सकते हो कितने, ये तो 12 एकड़ में फैला हुआ रिजॉर्ट है, यहाँ कितने टाइप के प्लांट होंगे? मोटा कुछ आइडिया है आपको?
तो सर सैकड़ों टाइप के होंगे, कम से कम ज़्यादा से।
मुझे अभी मैं पता कर रहा था तो 10 से 12 हजार टाइप के अलग प्लांट आपके पास हैं।
हो सकता है सर, इतने भी हो सकते हैं।
कुछ खास प्लांट्स के नाम अगर आप बताना चाहें तो मुला जी।
सर, जैसे कि किसलंडा हो गया, साइन इंडिया हो गई, और इग्जोरा हो गया, और सर NRB हो गई, गुड़ल हो गई, और बुद्धा वैली हो गई, और एक बम्बू बांस पीला वाला हो गया हमारा, और सर एग्लीफा हो गया, फाइकस है, और क्रोटन है, ड्राइसीना है, और
कितने नाम आपको याद है? एरिका पाम बहुत सारे।
अशोक हो गया सर एक,
बहुत शानदार।
और एक जो है माइल हो गई।
क्या बात है।
और कोफिया हो गई सर,
बहुत शानदार।
इस्पान भी हो गया सर, और दूब भी।
चलिए, आपका धन्यवाद, बहुत धन्यवाद।
Even so friend, I have tried my best to give you the best of the information of resort and gardening. Today's subject was there. I hope this will help you in many ways to learn how the resort and gardening is done with landscaping and all these experience. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.